How to pay for Spotify Premium on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can pay for Spotify Premium on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, launch the Spotify application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in and you land on your home page, if you navigate at the bottom right corner, there is premium option. You have to tap on it. That's gonna land you to this page. Here you can scroll through it and choose your preferred premium plan. That may be either family, duo, student, individual, or here it says premium listen without limits. Try 2 months of premium individual for $0 with Spotify. So scroll through it and then choose your preferred premium plan and then tap on get started. Now you have to select your payment method. You can directly pay through Spotify or you can also pay through the Google Pay. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from here. Then tap on continue. Now you have to select your payment methods, whether you want to continue with PayPal or the credit or debit card. So you can choose any one from there. After that, you have to enter all the necessary information regarding your payment methods. You may have to log in into your PayPal account or provide your login credential, or you may have to enter the card information of your credit or debit card. So make sure to enter all of the correct information, and after that, you can confirm and pay to complete the transaction. Once payment is successful, you can reopen the Spotify application to enjoy the premium features. So in this way, you can pay for Spotify Premium on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.